Yo guys, welcome back. I am taking a walk. Um, it's like 12 o'clock in the morning. So yeah, it's 12 a.m. Yeah, it's kind of late, but it's not as late as when I went on a walk like almost a week ago now. I know I uploaded the video like 2 days ago, but it took place a week ago. But yeah, like I made another video of me taking a walk at night, but it was much later. It was like 2 o'clock in the morning. But yeah, I mean, while it is like late right now, it's not like that late. It's just 12 a.m. Yeah, it's raining. You can tell it's wet around me. But it's like kind of light rain, which sucks. I wish it was heavy rain. The rain kind of lightened. I mean, it's still drizzling a little bit. There's still a bit of like rain, just not that severe. But yeah, well, my hair grew like a month ago. It was short. Now it's getting long. I like having long hair. It's cool. I'm probably gonna grow it out. Maybe until like October or November. And then I'll get a little trim after that. Just keep it long, but just like, tidy it up once in a while. Yeah. My beard's also getting kind of long. I'm probably gonna grow it out too, but I'll shave like maybe like late August, maybe the 19th, because I'm not really gonna have time to shave because I'm gonna go, to the States very soon in like 2 days. I'm gonna make my way to Wyoming, and then I'll stay in Idaho for a bit and Montana. But yeah. Sorry about my camera. Why is it like doing that? Huh, that's weird. Wait. Okay, that's a little bit weird. My camera seems to be like kind of twitching. Okay, it seems to be good. I don't know which way I should go. Should I go straight or should I turn this way? I don't know. I'm not really sure where I want to go. Yeah, fuck it, let's go this way. Wait, hold on. I hope everything's good with my camera. Seems to be good. But yeah, it's raining still. I hope the rain can increase though. That would be good. Man, I love taking walks at night. I don't know why, but like I'm more of a night person. Like I prefer taking walks like at night. I mean, I like taking walks in the day, but I don't know, like nighttime is just better. Yeah. Yeah, my camera seems to be kind of like having some problems a little bit. Seems to be good now though. Yeah, I'm sorry guys, I apologize. It's just I'm having some technical difficulties with my camera a little bit. I mean, it's fine. It's not like bad. Although my camera quality is very good. Wait, my videos, like, are they... What quality are they usually? I think they're like... They are sometimes 1080p. Sometimes, but not always. But usually if it's like a screen recorder video, the quality's not that good. Yeah, nobody outside. Wow, even the streets are all empty. I just passed by this like Russian girl's house. She actually used to go to my high school, but man, she was fucking sexy as shit. I remember she gave me a hug once. I passed by the place where she lives. But she doesn't live there anymore. I'm pretty sure she like moved away like years ago. She already got married anyways. She has like a husband now. It's crazy how people just grow up, you know. A lot of people get like married or engaged, which is crazy. Fuck, I don't know where to go. Huh. Hold on. Camera's a bit wet. Okay. Got a bit lost. I mean, I'm not lost. I know where I am. I'm just trying to find this one location. Just kind of forgot where it is. Perfect. The street I'm taking a walk in. There's apparently thieves here. I've heard a lot of people steal in this area. So it's a bit sketchy. And they do it at night. I hope I don't run into any thieves here. Okay, perfect. No cars. We're good to go. 12 a.m. Awesome.